What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full body blast. I've got 4 exercises for us, 3 repetitions each exercise with no equipment. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Getting started with some reverse lunge twists. These are great exercises, so go ahead and lunge back and then twist your body, your upper body, the opposite way. So if your right leg is going back, you're going to twist your body towards the left. This is great for your side obliques as well as your legs and booty. We've got 3 sets of 15, you guys, so go ahead and follow along. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then get into set 2. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for set 3. I hope you guys enjoyed that little karate move. I kind of lost my balance, so I had to find it and I just kicked my leg out. No breaks here, you guys. Go ahead and switch sides. We got 3 sets of 15 over here. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then get into set 2. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for set 3. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest and get ready for side jump squats. So for this exercise, we're gonna start in the middle with a squat and then jump to one side and then the next. We're kind of doing a shuffle. You're not actually like jumping off the ground like crazy. It's just more of like a shuffle your feet, move into the next squat. Make sure you keep your back straight and keep good form, you guys. We've got 3 sets of 20. Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then get into set 2. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for set 3. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest and get ready for jumping jack squats. So this is a great exercise. It's a great variation. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a jumping jack, bring your arms in, and then come down into a squat. It can be a little bit challenging just when you get started, but once you get the rhythm, it's perfectly normal. Trust me, it is awkward at first. So we're gonna do 3 sets of 20, you guys. Make sure you keep your back straight when you come down for that squat. When your arms go up for that jumping jack, bend your elbows and touch your hands, okay? Let's get it. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then get into set 2. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for set 3. Great job. Give yourself a 30-second rest and then get ready for burpee variations. So you might have to take this slow at first because I even got a little confused, as you can see right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to start in the squat position. Then we're going to burpee back, do a scissor, so open, close, and then we're going to do a mountain climber. Bring the knees up from side to side. Okay, guys, we got 3 sets of 10. This is a compact exercise, so we're doing a few things in one. Let's get it. Don't quit. Last exercise. Give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest and then get into set 2. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for set 3. And that's the workout today, you guys. Give this body blast a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, click that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.